Hello everybody and welcome to this new class, in where we are going to talk about the display performance in images or vectors imported in InDesign. To support this class, I opened already a document in where we will find different pages with many different images. Right? This is part of a book I designed a few years ago about the Alhambra in the south of Spain. You can download the file and work with it. The point here is that if we select any image, let's say for example this one on the left, once selected, we can use the tricks we learned in the previous class about zoom and navigation. We can click twice on the zoom tool or use the shortcut Ctrl or Command 1. Zoom is already at 100%, which means actual size. When we print this book, this is the actual size, and we can check how this image is full of pixels, right? The performance is so bad, but this doesn't mean that the quality of the image is bad. It's just because of the preview. InDesign has different previews for the images, and we will learn how to use them. We'll find this option moving over View, Display Performance. Then we have three options: Fast Display, Typical Display, and High Quality Display. By default, Typical Display is on. The thing here is that if I switch to High Quality Display, then look at the difference. Now the image is using all of its quality. On the other hand, if we use the lower performance and then instead of going to View, Display Performance and click Fast Display, I will do it in another way, which is more handy. Once the image is selected, right click, Display Performance, and then here we have the same option, right? Let's click Fast Display and then look what happened. I zoom out and this image became a gray rectangle because actually right now is a kind of proxy, just giving us the info that in that place we have an image. The good thing about this option, this fast display, is that we are not consuming the memory. So in some cases, if we are working in a very long document with many high quality images, at some stage maybe we can use this fast display just to focus, imagine, on the layout, on the text. In that cases, maybe can be useful. Coming back to the display performance options, I'd like to mention another feature of this tool. Let's go over View, Display Performance, and look at this. Allow object level display settings. This is always on and it allows us to change the performance of any image without affecting the rest of the images in the document. So I strongly recommend you to keep it always on. Let's practice the tool with another example. Let's go to this floor plan. In this case, this plan floor represents the general life of the Alhambra. Ctrl 1, zoom at 100%, actual size already on. We select the image, right click, Display Performance, High Quality Display. You can check the big improvement. If I zoom in, we can see it even better. Let's do the same with this another image on the right side. I select it, right click, Display Performance, High Quality Display. Take in mind that in any case, either we are using the fast display or the high quality display. When we print it as PDF, it will be published automatically in the best performance, in the high quality display. These are just previews for us while we are working. To finish the class, let's go over Edit, Preferences, because here we have this option, Display Performance. From here, we can't change the default view of our imported objects. If I expand this box, you can recognize our options. Typical is on. I recommend you to use typical, but you can always change it easily from here. In case that I do it, let's click fast and I say OK. Changes still are not loaded and we'll need to close and open again the file in order to see them. I'll show you. I close the file, I open it again, File, Open Recent, and here it is. All the images are now in the fast display performance. Well, time to say goodbye now, and I see you in the next episode.